Okay, the magic X method is when you worry about what the top is. And right now, all the tops of the X are positive, and they're all the same number, because I want to show you how to do this step by step. So when the top of the X is positive, you're going to add the factors to get the bottom, and the signs have to be the same as the bottom. So we are going to factor the top. Factor the top. So I'm going to write my factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. Those are all my factors of 12. And I know that because this is positive, that I am going to add my factors. And I need to get 7. And the signs are going to be the same, and they're going to be the same as the bottom. So my factors are going to be a positive 3 and a positive 4. They are the ones that add up to 7. Positive 3, positive 4. Over here in this example, with factors of 12, we have them again, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, except this time we are going to add them because it's a positive. We add them together, but we need 8. So the factors that add to 8 are 2 and 6. The signs are going to be the same as the B, which is the bottom. So we need a plus 2 and a plus 6. In this one, we have factors of 12, which are, again, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. This time, we want to pick the factors that add up to 13. So the ones that add up to this bottom number 13 are 1 and 12. And we're keeping the signs the same as the bottom. So we've got a plus 1 and a plus 12. This is how easy the magic X method is. You have to write your factors down and then make sure that when they're positive on the top that you're adding them and that the signs are the same as the bottom. When we get to the bottom set, we want factors of 12, which are still 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. We are still adding because the top is positive. So I need to make a 7. So that's 3 and 4. The only problem is I have a negative 7. So the signs have to be the same as the bottom. So the signs at the bottom is a negative. So I'm going to have a negative 3 and a negative 4. Okay? So when there's a positive at the bottom, it's a plus plus. When it's a negative at the bottom, it's a minus minus. This one are factors of 12, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. And this is still adding. We are adding because 12 is positive. And when we add, we need to get 8. Well, that's 2 and 6. But it's a negative 8, which means I need a negative 2 and a negative 6. The signs are the same as the bottom number. Last one. We have factors of 12, 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Here we are adding to get 13. But because it's a negative, we need a negative 1 and a negative 12. That's how you do these Magic X questions. We're going to give you one to try on your own, and then you can check the answers.